Hey guys, welcome back. Pardon me. I have one of these. It is the CBD lemon drops. Guys, I just put this video up. I don't know which video will go up first. Probably this one. So look for it linked up in the corner. That's my hemp crate box. These are so good. CBD lemon drops. I'm not even kidding. Okay. This video is, it's kind of sad to say, this is my clothing allowance from Factory Connection for the month of April. Now guys, we're closed for the month of April because we are on a stay-at-home order. But we did manage, we got our clothing allowance the last week of March. So this is my last one for right now. So let's go through and see what's in there. Okay. So first up, I have a watch. Now I happen to have this in the black version. It's back here somewhere. This is a rose gold with CZ crystal. They're probably not CZs, but crystal on the bezel. It's got this really pretty brushed kind of rose gold face. And it's a really soft, kind of muted pink silicone band. And those are good to wear at work. This is $8, $7.99. Super cute. I haven't even set it yet, so it's still got the little tab on the twisty thing. All right. Next up, what is it, Sam? You look so upset. What is it? Okay. You've seen these before. I really liked them. I got these on my last clothing haul. And I really liked them, so I had to get another pair. And I have already worn these. That's why there's no tags on them. There's the back pockets. These are a size 18. And I'll tell you why I had to get an 18. You guys know I normally wear a 16. And there's the front with the pockets. I have already worn these. And they got the kind of the distressed. We cannot wear anything at work that has holes in it, so I try not to buy any that has holes. But they do stretch. I love that. These are the State of Independence, and they are a size 18. So here's what happened. My other pair that I have, like this, and they might be in the dirty clothes, are size 16s, and they fit perfect. So I went and grabbed another pair, size 16. Thinking, so I got them home, tried them on, and they were so tight, guys. They were so tight. Now, yes, I have sat at home for 3 weeks on my ass, but I have not gained any weight. I have weighed myself. So I held up my size 16s that I had to the new size 16s that I just got, and there was about a finger width on each side. So they were smaller than the 16s I already had. Technically, they were more like a 14, almost. So I took them back. We didn't have another 16. So I bumped up and got an 18 because I would rather have one size too big than one size too small. And I'll tell you why. My psoriasis has come back because I'm no longer doing my shots. And I have it all along my waistline. If you guys have psoriasis, you know, like, if there's a small spot. When you start getting these raw spots that are the size of, like, your palm, and right now I have some spots that are about half the size of my palm, and they're right at my waistline. When that denim band is rubbing that all day, no. It hurts. I'm serious. It hurts. So, I'd rather go up a size and have it a little loose on my skin than have it like rubbing it raw. So I went up to an 18 and it fits fine. Okay, so next up is a kimono, and we get a lot of kimonos in. This is a size 3X, and I like my stuff big, guys. I just like my stuff big. But look how pretty this is. And I will stand up. Now, guys, I have on my lounge wear. which is like pajama bottoms and a t-shirt. It is long. It has belt sleeves. And a lot of our stuff runs a little small. Because like I said, this is a 3X. But look at the belt sleeve and that lace detail on the sleeve. Look how pretty that is. So this is the kimono. I thought that would be just really cute with a t-shirt. And this actually matches. So like a t-shirt like this and just jeans. Super cute. Let go, little boy. Let go. Yeah. Did you hear him? What are you doing? I know you want down. He squeaks. He doesn't really meow. He goes meow, 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 meow. Okay. I don't know why I sat down, because the next thing I'm going to stand up and show you too. So it's another jacket. And again, it's pink. Everything we're getting in, see these things right here? See these? They come straight off. I can't deal with those. Oh, I meant to tell you the price on that. I believe it was $17.99 on the the kimono. And I believe the capris were they're either $19.99 or $21.99. I think they were $19.99. This one is $13.99. This is an extra large. So that's why you just have to try some things on. Some things will run big. Some things will run small. You just have to try it on. And there's a string right here that needs to be trimmed. I'll get it in a moment. This is an extra large. It's another jacket. But see how it's like a batwing jacket? Let's get this down. No. That kimono is $15.99. So super cute. Super cute. Again, just a t-shirt or a tank top. Those denim capris. Super cute. Okay. Yes, my sports bra is black. I'm sorry. Can you tell it that bad? I don't care. And there's one more thing in the bag. Yes, one more thing. And this is a dress. And yes, it's got pink in it. So I can wear that little jacket under here. This is a 3X as well. Yes. This is $19.99. And it is got the cold shoulder. And hold on one second. Hold on one second. Look how cute. This might not be the right color pink. This could have been my Easter dress or my birthday dress. No, it's not really the right color pink, but you get the idea. Super cute. With my bedroom slippers. Can you see my bedroom slippers? So it comes just below the knee. Cute, guys. Really cute. There's my t-shirt. All right. Because I know a lot of you guys say, well, try it on, Shannon. Try it on. I want to see it on. So everything's on but the jeans. But that's it, guys. That is my clothing haul for the month of April. I really like this cold-shouldered look. But I really like it with the jacket, even though the pink is not quite right. It'll be okay. All right, guys, as always, it looks really good with this look. Oh, my God. And I'm going to be spending my birthday at home, guys. My birthday is this month, and I'm going to be spending it at home. After I've got all this. If you want to know how I got this look, I will have a video already up. It'll be linked up above somewhere, so just watch for the eye up above. And I just curled my hair really quick. I haven't curled it in so long. It's growing like a weed, guys, and I swear it is those Ollie gummy vitamins that I got from Walmart. It's growing like a weed. It curled up so pretty. See that red spot in my hair right there? That's psoriasis. It's psoriasis. I mean, seriously. It has come back with a vengeance. I need to go somewhere now. Where can I go? My kitchen? Let's do a pub crawl from kitchen to living room to dining room to spare bedroom to craft room to bedroom. Yeah. All right, guys. As always, thanks for watching. And I will see you guys on the next one.